Well, the row over the pro tem speaker appointed by the BJP. Remember, Cuttack MP Bhartrihari Mehtab has been appointed as a temporary speaker by the BJP. Remember, he will be administering the oath of office for all the newly elected members of parliament. And now a full-blown political war over it, with the opposition, particularly the Congress, saying that the senior-most leader, who of course comes from the SC community, has been ignored by the BJP. The BJP, of course, has conceded to the fact that he is not the senior most leader. Mr. Mehtab, however, is a 7-term MP. Remember, he was an MP from the BJD. Soon before the elections, he switched over to the BJP. Now, the new Parliamentary Affairs Minister, Mr. Kiren Rijiju, has said that this controversy is something that's absolutely unwarranted and that the Congress is creating a political row before the House convenes for the budget session. Take a look.
ये सिंपल सा एक प्रोसीजरल एस्पेक्ट को लेकर के एक प्रो टेम स्पीकर जो ओथ देने के लिए बनाया जाता है और एक कस्टमरी है, ये कन्वेंशन है, इसको लेकर के 2 दिन से पॉलिटिक्स किया जा रहा है। ये मैं दंग रह गया। कंज्यूकेटिव लॉन्गेस्ट जो सर्व करते हैं, परंपरागत उसको बनाने का सिस्टम है, उसको हम लोग ने एडॉप्ट किया। यह कोई सिस्टम का उल्लंघन का उसी को लगेगा जिन्होंने सिस्टम और या उसका रूल नहीं पढ़ा है।
And our senior colleague Prashant is now joining us live. So Prashant, the full-blown political war over the pro tem speaker, but this gives us an indication that the BJP will be negotiating and taking decisions from a position of strength, because the BJP clearly has sidestepped the entire criticism that he is not the senior most member of parliament and that a Dalit leader has been ignored, but also gives us a sense of how the BJP will maneuver as far as the speaker's post is concerned as well.
Well, Vedanta, as you rightly said, just even before the parliament session, the first parliament session of the 18th Lok Sabha begins. This is a full-blown, war of words between the government and the opposition parties. And the first issue is the appointment of pro tem speaker. Now, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju has hit back at the Congress party, which alleged yesterday that K. Suresh is not only the senior most member of parliament in the current Lok Sabha, the new Lok Sabha, he also belongs to the Dalit community. Now, Kiren Rijiju has given out a list of other members who were ignored despite being the senior most members in the past, and he gave the example of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, George Fernandes, and many other leaders who were ignored for being chosen as the pro tem speaker despite being the senior most member. Apart from that, he also cited the Westminster model of Britain, which is being followed in India also. And Bhartrihari Mehtab, who has been appointed as pro tem speaker, he is the 7th-time member of parliament, and while K. Suresh is the 8th-time member of parliament, but Bhartrihari has been 7th-time member of parliament consecutively, while K. Suresh had a break in 1999. So, according to tradition, the member who is consecutively holding this post of member of parliament for the most number of times, he is normally chosen as the pro tem speaker. So, as you rightly said, this gives us a signal of what lies ahead when the parliament session begins on coming Monday. While this is a very short session and this is meant for a very specific purpose, for administering oath to the member of parliament and the election of speaker, apart from the address by the president to the both houses of parliament. But that gives us a signal of what lies ahead in the coming days and weeks.